Hi guys, welcome to Arcade Lighting. This is Ashley. We have 500 Miata NC tail lights being produced in our workshop today. We already have two versions before, one smoke and one clear, but always black frame inside. Today I'm gonna try the chrome inside with clear lens. I already have all the materials here. I'm really excited to see what it's gonna be. My colleague is assembling the tail lights for me now. I think it takes 5 minutes to finish the assembly. Okay, it's ready. Looks amazing. Okay, now let's try to seal up this clear lens right now. Let's go. We will use this vibration welding machine to seal it up. It's very fast and waterproof. Let's wait for 1 minute. Wow, it looks really cool. Let's see the details. I found some videos in YouTube. Many customers like to DIY their own tail lights for clear lens. You have to prepare a lot of stuff like clear lens, chrome parts, and some machines. First step, you have to open your factory tail lights by oven or heat gun. Then you have to make inside the screw, and finally you have to seal it up by some specific glue. I think it is a very big job. You have to spend a few hours or even few days to finish. Now, let's do this job for you. If you like these clear tail lights, please feel free to contact us. I will make another set and make a full set. First, the customer leave the comments in this video. I will send these tail lights to you for free. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.